We had a wonderful time on the Kaohsiung free walking tour, Harbor City tour. Our guide, Cindy, was fantastic. She communicated clearly, shared insightful historical and cultural facts, and kept the tour engaging from start to finish. One of the highlights was ending the tour with a delicious bowl of shave ice, which we enjoyed together with the group. It was a fun and relaxed way to connect with fellow travelers and locals. The Kaohsiung Harbor Walking Tour was a fantastic way to explore the city's maritime history and vibrant culture. The tour offered stunning views of the harbor, with its mix of modern skyscrapers and historic sites. Our guide was knowledgeable, sharing fascinating stories about the harbor's development and its significance to Kaohsiung. Highlights included Pier 2 Art Center, with its creative art installations, and the serene Love River. Perfect for. It's great to know the history in the Hamison area, in which indeed kudos to our tour guide who so give insights and knowledge about what the place was. It a good memories to bring back. The tour guides Gigi and Leslie are so friendly and they have rich knowledge about Taiwan and especially Kaohsiung Harbor City. The weather is great, and I and my daughter were really enjoying the sightseeing and historic stories. The tour guide was amazing. She's very informative and talk about the history of Kaohsiung. One of the best tour guide I've experienced. Enthusiastic HDV. Even though there were only 2 tourists. It's a bit far and my legs are tired. Remember to bring water and a hat. An interesting insight of Kaohsiung history. Cindy is an excellent guide. I was not able to go to this activity because I am not feeling good that day. It was a good tour. The tour guide were very informative, helpful, and sweet. I liked the way they tried to relate some of the religious stories to modern struggles so that we could have a better understanding. This was a really interesting walking tour. Our guide Kimmy was very knowledgeable and friendly. I would recommend this tour to anyone visiting Kaohsiung. Good walking tour led by 4 local guides who shared with us lots of historical information of the Takao. Thank you so much for organizing this tour. Cheers. Thanks to Rachel, our tour guide. She was amazing and enthusiastic about explaining the history and religion of Taiwan. It was fascinating learning about the 3 biggest religions in Taiwan and the temples in the Zuying/Kaohsiung area. Our tour guide, Manling, was very enthusiastic. She showed us around the beautiful temples of Kaohsiung. It was a very informative tour. We were with a few others who are also tourists like us. It was a very nice activity. It is a must for first. It was a nice walking tour to know a little bit more about Kaohsiung. Our guide, Lily, is very friendly and ready to answer our questions. We had a small group of 2 packs. Jerry and Blue were our tour guides. They were very good at telling us about the history of the Kaohsiung ports. They also recommended some food places to eat at. It was great to receive friendly explanations and guidance about the history of Kaohsiung. If you are planning to travel to Sigean Island in Kaohsiung, it would be a good idea to depart immediately after this tour. Because it is a walking tour, it can be difficult in quite hot weather, so it is a good idea to bring water or a hat if necessary. You can meet a friendly guide. This tour is awesome. Bianca and Matilda was able to show and explain every temple and history of the place. Every questions was answered and elaborate for us to have a better understanding. The 2 ladies is superb, and if given a chance to make a choice who would be the tour guide, we will definitely